How's it going, guys? Joseph Vasquez back with another video. Bringing back, we're gonna probably be doing girl burping trolling pretty soon. And I hope you guys stay tuned for that. We're finally bringing it back. I told you guys I'd bring it back, but I hope you guys enjoy. She said she wanted a burp for you guys, so here's some burps, and then also I got some voice messages to play for you of amazing burps that she done. So you can get started if you want. Start burping, I guess. That one just came out. You don't have to say sorry. Alright. I guess they're waiting for you to burp now. Alright. Just keep on going. There we go. Gotta do good ones like you were doing earlier. Come on, you can do it. I believe in you. Okay, that's one for the record books, I guess. Get in the car. You can just drive. I can just drive and you could be burping. Alright. You can just stop whenever you want and then I'll stop the video. But you can just stop and then I'll start I'll start playing the voice messages of you. She was actually doing some good ones. Hold on, guys. I gotta play some of these voice messages for you guys real quick. This is of her burping also. And yes, these are real. They're on command. Burping on command is still real burps. But people, they do fake. Sometimes people do fake burps and they're like, or make noises. But this is actually real, what she's doing. Okay. I'm gonna play some voice messages that she did. So she sent me, and these were fucking amazing. These were one of her best ones. Because I taught her to burp really loud and long. That was actually pretty good. That was one voice message, and here's another one for you. I'm gonna play the second one for you. There's 4 of them. That was a really fucking long one that she did. Okay, let's play another one. Hold on. We'll play the next one, but let me try to lower the game volume down a little bit. Okay, here we go. Now it should be good. Okay, we'll play these last 2 ones, and then if she wants to keep burping, she can do. Hold on. That was actually a really good one that she did too. And
I'm flipping people off.
And then I'll play the last one for you guys. Let me just lower this damn game volume down a little bit. There we go. Okay. Maybe I should replay those. That'll even be way better. Or no, that'll be good. Just hear them. Told you she can burp really good. Okay, Heavenly, now you can burp. Now you can do your burps now. Played all the voice messages they heard. Your longest, best ones. And I'm the one who taught her. She wasn't very good before I taught her. I'm the one who taught her. That was so weak. That was weak compared to what I taught her. Watch, she's gonna reel in some big ones right now. Just stop any time, or you can tell me when you want to stop. Probably. Not with you, because I taught you very good. And she loves me for it. Because she knows she enjoys it. She knows she's enjoyed. You enjoy burping even more because I taught you to be... You enjoy it more because I taught you to burp even louder and bigger on command on.
Let's be the last one, please.
Come on, you gotta do a couple more for them. At least make it go to 6 minutes. It's almost 6 minutes. 30 more seconds.
Oh, we can do that.
You can do it. 30 more seconds. Oh my Jesus. Oh my God. Okay, she told you she could do really good ones. Alright, let's just do this. That was weak. Come on, 20 more seconds. About 20 more. I think it is. Well, it has to be 15 or 10 more seconds because you didn't do that many burps you're supposed to do. Okay. How about this? How about we do this one? How about you try to do as many burps as you can within 30 seconds, or do you want to try to do it within a minute? Okay. How about 30 seconds then? I'm pretty sure they want to see that. Pretty sure.
Sure, but I need something to drink to clear my throat.
Go get some water or
I
something.
keep on spitting.
Well, go spit first and then hawk your loogies out or whatever and then spit and then drink water. Maybe you should drink some soda. Might help you. There we go.
I was drinking soda.
I knew it. Now try to do it on... Hey, try to do this. Drink your soda and try to suck in air to burp even louder on command. Try to do that. Okay, that was actually a good one. Should try to do that again. Okay, how about this? Try to drink as much soda as you can and then suck in air to burp even. Try to even burp your loudest, longest one. Try to do a record for you. Try to do a record for you. Almost. Okay, I think that was one of the also a record because that was actually a good one. You had bass. You had everything in that one. Those are probably your best. These are her best ones yet.
I would be sure about that because I didn't do these for like a year or so.
Yeah, but when I teach you to do it even better, even more, then you'll really be a pro at it again, like you used to.
Yeah.
All right, try. All right, there we go. There's good ones. All right, here we go. Are these from soda, or are you just because from burping on command and soda? Was that one from just soda?
Already gone.
Well, damn. You should freaking drink another damn soda. Or no, I think that should be good. Just try to burp on command now. I think that gave you enough bubble of gas. Yep, that soda helped out.
Because it probably cleared my throat.
And because it also gives you more gas. I've noticed soda also makes you more gassy when you drink it too.
I think tomorrow when I wake up, I'm gonna lose my voice.
You won't lose your voice. You've done this many times, remember? That was a freaking good one.
My mic is messing up.
Okay, just unplug it and then plug it back in. and then it should fix. Hold on. There we go.
What?
Whoa, this is a this is a long ass video. You gotta keep doing them now that your freaking throat cleared up. Okay, you gotta do it for at least 5 more minutes. Cause my videos, if you notice, they're actually pretty long. You gotta give them what they want. They want long videos, remember? Mine are usually at least 15 minutes. It's gonna be kind of weird because I rarely do short videos. Try this. Try sucking more air usually than you do on command. Try sucking more air than you usually do. And try to suck in air until it fills up your stomach. See how loud. But let it settle. Let it sit for like 1 or 2 seconds after you suck in all the air and it fills it up. Let it settle and sit for like 2 seconds. And then burp it out.
I think I need another soda to clear my throat.
Okay. And it's also going to make you more gassy, so. And make you burp even a bit louder. Try drinking water after you drink your soda, too. You have any water in your room? You should change your character into a tomboy. Like you change it back to a girl but turn it into a tomboy like you are. Remember how you had it before? You had to change the tomboy clothes like.
Yeah.
You should change it back after. Also, if you guys, we might do a burping video online. We might do when we're playing Left 4 Dead or something. I might be trying to do that. If you guys want to enjoy, like and leave a comment, and then we might do some of your suggestions. Just leave it down below. Also, if you want, you could follow my kick. Oh, I don't know what the hell happened, but I guess she lagged out of the damn party. I gotta invite her back. What the hell just happened? Okay, there we go. Alright, we're good. She lagged out of the party, I guess, but okay. She's back now. Alright.
You know that dude?
Yeah, just don't mind it right now. We'll handle it later. We're doing a video. Just don't worry about it right now. I'll help you handle it after. By the way, you guys can add us. I will show. You can probably see her gamer tag. I don't know. If she don't want me to show her gamer tag, I won't show it. But if she wants some people to have her gamer tag, I might. Do you want people to know your gamer tag?
Sure. I don't care.
But as long as you guys aren't
friends anyway.
Not really. You're gonna start on. Hey, but you might actually help out because. It might actually help out because you're we're gonna start off on your friend list anyway, so you might as well. So if you guys want to add her, I'll leave it in the I'll pop it up right now so you guys can, when you guys want to come back, you guys can come back and I'll pause this video and you guys can see her gamer tag right here. I'll leave it up here for a little while.
I don't think you paused the video, right?
Yeah, I know, but I'm leaving it up that way so they can see it. So they can pause, so they'll have a long while to pause the video. Cause you know how some people make it so damn short where they can't fucking pause it? They only leave it like a fucking second of their gamer tag, which is kind of stupid. How do you expect people to add you when you don't leave it up there long enough? Alright.
I'm usually like very quick with things.
Yeah, but a lot of people aren't.
That sounded
But
so wrong.
I know. By the way, if you can message her and message me if you guys like, because she's always in my parties and she always hangs out around with me. If you guys want to try, you guys can try it, but she has put some guys to shame. If you guys want to try to have a burping contest with her. Hey, but you wouldn't have been that good if I didn't teach you. Because remember when you first started, before I taught you, you weren't that good, but now you're freaking amazing at it.
That's true.
I'm a very good teacher at teaching people to play video games better, and training up. I trained up my clan. I trained up people that are the most terrible people. I trained them up to be the best people they are today. And I also am a good burping teacher too, because I taught some girls that were tomboys, but they didn't know how to burp on command. I taught them to burp on command. She knows I'm a good teacher at a lot of things. I'm really good at games too. I saved her. If you guys were paying attention on the gaming earlier, I saved her ass on the fucking hunter earlier, bro. It was so fucking funny. He tried jumping and attacking her, and I smacked the bitch off of her. I smacked his fucking ass off of her. You guys should check out that video if you guys. She did some burps in that. If you guys enjoy.
Remember a little bit ago? Not 1 week,
like about, I think it was, no, about like 5 hours ago. It's been like about 6 hours ago now. 6-7 hours ago now. If you want, she might want to do another video after this one. I don't know. That's up to her. She might do it, and then you guys might enjoy. You guys might enjoy this. You guys check out my channel. Refer this to more people, and we'll start doing more requests for you guys if you guys refer this to other channels and if you guys subscribe. You guys got to make it worth our while too. We're not just going to post it if it just... We're going to do requests, obviously, but for our true fans, not for the fake ass fans who just... And we'll actually do more requests if you guys request videos. If you guys want more burping videos, if you guys want gameplays and burping videos combined, just let us know. And we might do it right now after this video, so... Hey, I have a good idea. How about you want to go live? You want to go live on YouTube?
And this game is glitchy.
Not really. But hey, we might do a live on YouTube, so you guys might want to check us out. We might do a live on YouTube, and you guys better refer us, and you guys better tell your friends and everybody. Even I'm pretty sure she wants it. You can go ahead and tell them if you want, how much you want. How much likes do you want them to for this video?
Probably like
10 likes, at least.
Yeah.
And if you refer, when we start getting more bigger, our channel getting bigger, she'll just start doing more channel videos with me. But you guys got to make it worth our while. We don't want to be making videos and you guys aren't going to be loyal fans. We love all our fans. I'm glad some of our fans still remember us. And I told you one day we were going to come back, and now we finally did. I told you we were going to bring the burping trolling videos back, and those are going to be very soon. But these are just to hold you guys off for a while, because you guys were actually pretty good fans, because you guys were... I know a lot of you... We got literally 3,000 views last one, but we need to start getting our views back up. But we're glad we still have some loyal fans that never left. Even she said she's happy that we still have some loyal fans, because a lot of them left. Huh?
Yep.
But at least there's still some loyal fans. So if you guys want to hit us up and you guys got Xbox, go ahead and hit us up. I sent you, this is my gamer tag right here. You can add me, and then like I said, she's always in a party with me almost every time. Whenever she gets on, she joins my parties, so I hope you guys enjoy. And you want to do a couple of grand finales? It's about to be on 20 minutes. You could try to do some of your best burps before. before we end the video.
Why?
To end out the video. You gotta... Alright, 3, I guess. But if they're not... If a couple of them aren't good, you got to redo them.
You're a bastard.
What? I'm pretty sure that's what they want. They don't want weak burps. They want the best. Okay, that was a good one. These are some good burps for you guys. Here you go. 'Cause I know you guys enjoyed. Alright. Okay, that one was kind of weak. You gotta redo that last one. It's supposed to be a grand finale. That last one is supposed to be the best one. That one was kind of weak. Do a drive-by on these niggas.
I don't think you're supposed to do that, but okay.
You can say that if you're ghetto, but not with the R on the end. I say a nigga. I have black friends, they don't mind me saying that. I have a lot of black friends and they don't mind saying that. As long as you don't say it with the R at the end, with the ER, you're good. Because then that's being racist. Nigga is... People need to understand nigga, and I'm not going to say the word, but you know what I'm saying with the ER at the end. You know, you guys, I'm pretty sure you know. I'm not going to say it. I'm going to keep it censored. I don't want to have to edit the video and have to censor something on it. I don't want to have to censor it, so I'm just going to just leave it at that. I'm pretty sure you guys know what I'm talking about. The N-word, but with the ER at the end. That's all I'm saying. But nigga and N-E-R, if you know what I mean, I'm pretty sure that kind of are different. Oh, and the glitch! And it just glitched? What the okay. This nigga is tripping, bruh. This nigga must be smoking on some good shit. He's smoking on some kush? Or is he smoking some weed, bro?
Congratulations.
God damn, she was flying high. She's fucking flying sky high right there. Alright. That was a good grand finale. Alright. The last burp. Grand finale. And then we're gonna end this video here. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And I hope you guys comment, like, and subscribe. And I'm going to try to comment down below. I'll probably try to have her make an account. And I'll try to have her comment down below.
Sorry, that was not on command.
Yep. I know that. Some of them times just come out. But hey, you get an extra one, I guess. So they're getting 2 grand finales, I guess. That one, that little small one, and the grand finale. Try to make it your biggest one. Okay, I think that's good enough to leave it at that note. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Also, comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. I'm out.